Hi Kiki fans, so today we are playing Escape the Dog Pet Shop obby. So this girl is with me and she's... Oh, I just died. We both just died. That's so weird. And this girl is with me, so I guess me and her will be going together. Aren't we what? What? I thought we're supposed to step on the bones. Okay, and new plan. She just friend requested me. Going through here. Yes, this will work. Oh. Yes, made it. Now, I'm just gonna... Whew, made that one too. And go over here. And go over here. And I just made this one. Guys, what do you think? I think I might just wait for this girl until she comes. I'm just gonna keep going. Okay. 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 Woo! And this one. Oh, I just made it. So I'm on. I'm guest. Okay, now I think we're supposed to go, not touch that, and then go here. What? Quick into the went, or whatever. Quick into the went. Oh, okay. So now we just have to find the way out. Nope. We just made it. Okay, we go. Oh no. I get it now. So we go over here. What? Oh, we jump to them then. Yes, that's what we do. Guys, I got rainbow. Ooh. Now it's gone. Okay, we just made it. Now let's just go through here. Carefully, carefully. And then let's go through here carefully. Then, are we? Oh, good. Watch out. Some of the stairs are deadly. Try not to touch them. Oh, there's the stair. Just made it. Oh. And now get up the ladder. Says don't get electrocuted by the wires. Okay, and this girl's with me. Wow, this girl's pretty good. Oh, I just made it. And just make that in there. Oh no, did I accept it? Oh, I declined straight away by accident. Oops, I didn't mean to. But, But that girl was doing so good. Whew. And then she friend requested me. Then I just got kind of distracted, but that's fine. I'm sure she didn't mean it, but let's keep going. And there. Oh my god, how much wires is there? Whew. Now just jump, 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 jump. Said that dog is huge. It is our only way to get out of here. I guess we get up here, then get up so close. And now get up there. And now hey, now we have to find out. No. Let's keep trying Adopt Me fans, we won't give up. Okay, go over here, then go over here, then go over here, and then go over here. We made it. So now let's go over here, go over here, go over here, go, whoop! Go over here, go, oh, whoops, wheeze. Oh, well, oh, there's the girl again. Oh, she's trying to get up here. Oops. Me and her keep dying. Okay, you know what? I'll be nice. I'll wait for this girl. She keeps dying. Okay, let's move on. What? Oh, I get it now. So I went through here, then go through here, through here. Oh, it's the opposite. Go through here, and then go back. I'm so bad at these obbies. Like, they're so easy and I'm so bad at them. Okay, let's keep going. And then go back through here. Okay, now let's go. Da, da, shh. Da, da, shh. Da, 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 shh. Woo. Go, be careful, be careful. Oh, I did these before like that as well. They're so hard. But I'm sure I can manage. Oh, I should have jumped. I guess that didn't come in my mind. Whew. Whew. I made it. Woohoo! I made it alive. This store is a mess. Not joking at all. Try not to touch those deadly bones. Wonder why they're deadly. But okay. Jump. And then jump. Whew. Jump. And go over here. Then. What? What? I'm speechless right now. Like, what are we? Oh. They should have told us that before. Run to your safety and let's get out of here. True. Oh. Oh, I get it now. We have to get away from the cars. Well, that'll be easy. Jump. Oh, that's kind of hard. Well, okay. But they said cars, not those. But woo, woo, woo! Oh, so close. And now there, we made it. We made it! Yes! Out of here. Out of that evil pet shop step. On the green pads. Play more fun games. Well, oh well, thank you. And there's like a real obby that I play. Wait, what? Extra jump. Extra speed. Is this only this? Oh. Whoops. What's happening? Well, this is the end of the video, guys. If you enjoyed, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Bye. And my name in Roblox is Muyu12, MUIUI12. Bye.